Presenting a pre-owned 2025 Lexus. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus is a steal with less than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 41 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.